Hello everyone, welcome to the audiobook. This is Sureka Ramachandran. Today's book is How Animals Sleep. Okay guys, let's go inside the book. Introduction. Almost all animals need to sleep to stay healthy, but sleeping can be dangerous. Other animals may hunt sleeping animals. Animals have many different ways of sleeping that help them stay safe. Some of these ways may surprise you. A giant panda sleeps on a high tree branch. Sleeping upside down. In this picture, we can see the fruit bats which sleeps during the daytime and move around at night time. Almost all bats sleep upside down. They hang by their toes from a branch or from the ceiling of a cave. Up high, bats are safe from most other animals. If they are in danger, they just fly away. Sleeping the most and the least. Little brown bats win the prize for sleeping the most. They sleep as much as 19 hours a day. These bats are only awake for a few hours after the sun goes down. They may get up again for a little while before the sun rises. The rest of the time is for sleep, sleep, sleep. Giraffes win the prize for sleeping the least. They lie down when they sleep. They rest their heads on their bodies or on the ground. Every few hours, they sleep for about 10 minutes. Giraffes are not safe if they sleep for long periods. In this picture, we can see the giraffe curls its long neck when it sleeps. Sleeping with half the brain. A dolphin sleeps with just half its brain at a time. It must stay awake to breathe and to watch for danger. Dolphin mothers and babies can go without sleep for as long as 2 months to stay safe. In this picture, we can see a mother dolphin which helps her newborn calf to stay safe. Some ducks sleeps with just half their brains too. These ducks often sleep in a line. The ducks at both ends help keep the group safe. They keep one eye open to watch for danger. The ducks in the middle sleep deeply with both eyes closed. Sleeping underwater. Seals breathe air, but that doesn't stop some of them from sleeping underwater. They hold their breath and dive deep to sleep for up to 20 minutes at a time. Sleeping deep underwater helps these seals stay safe from animals that hunt them near the surface. In this picture, we can see the harbor seals which dive deep underwater to sleep. Some fish make their own sleeping bags. They make a big spit bubble and sleep inside it. The bubble keeps them in one place all night. It also keeps other animals from smelling them. If an animal bumps the bubble, the fish swims away. In this picture, we can see the parrotfish which is safe inside its spit bubble. Sleeping standing up. Horses often sleep standing up. Their legs lock in place so they don't fall over. If a horse is lying down, it needs a long time to get up. A horse can run from danger more quickly if it is already standing. A flamingo can sleep while standing on one leg. The standing leg locks so it stays straight. The other leg tucks up close to the flamingo's body. Its head rests on its back. A flamingo lives and sleeps near many other birds to stay safe. Sleeping while flying. Some seabirds can sleep while they fly. These large birds spend most of their lives over the ocean. They are in danger on the water, but they are safe in the air. They glide for many hours without flapping their wings. Sometimes they sleep while they glide. Conclusions. The animals on these pages are sleeping too. In this picture, we can see iguana, hippopotamus, ostriches and prairie dog are sleeping. So, we know how animals sleep. Hello everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this audiobook. We will meet in next audiobook. Thank you. If you like this audiobook, please click the like button, share and subscribe it. Thank you.